Man, listen, yeah. Start with a young, end with a main. 4.0, she give good brain, and I'm just ill. Me and my nigga, sipping on Theraflu, couldn't get sicker. You niggas old tape, man, you can't stick with us. Got mad flow like a storm in the river. Ice on my wrist, walk past you, shiver. I'm a convict, certified beat killer. Maine is a beast, and he can't be stopped. I'm from New Orleans, second line to the top. We take over, never give it back. You boys just rats, how you live with that? I ain't saying I'm the best, stop playing, I is. F over you like I feel a quiz. Excuse my French, but your girl on the back, she ain't on the weight bench. Please, don't nag him, boy. Guns out for the cops, body bag, boy. Young man on the top, never lacking, boy. Money too tall, stay stacking, boy. I'm on my shit tonight. Pockets all green, no kryptonite. Money flowing like water, get a sip tonight. First, she gon' have to lick the pipe, and I flow non-stop, I'ma keep it going. Look close, the S on my chest is showing. We will murk you where you stand, cause if you play with young man, that's your ass post, man. Lou, why you starting me? Now I'm shitting on these niggas, pardon me. I be spitting on the beat so retardedly, and I murder this shit so accordingly. Where did I think of this? Well, I'm just nasty, I talk shit. Oh dear God, why is my flow so cold? I free time, I'm just playing, but my shit is cold. Feel me this below zero. Rats in the place get the issue. 9 out of 10, nigga, it's you. We blast off, we won't miss you. Send your head to your mama with tissue. Stop this can't go on. Murder, murder, ring the alarm. DJ Khaled's beat is a mess. Sorry, so I'ma just put it to rest. Red light, I'ma stop here. Flow futuristic, like next year. Ha! Man. Yeah. And I'm gone.